What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the sweet life of Mary and Dylan.
Keeping up with us.
Keeping up with Mary and Dylan. How's it going, everybody? My name's Dylan. This is Mary. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Thank you guys so much for coming by. It's a little loud in my neighborhood, so don't mind all the background noise. But Mary, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself to the Rideshare Hub fam?
Hi, I'm Mary. KNG Mary on Instagram.
Always plug, always plug, always plug. Merch link in bio. All right, 30% off, just saying. But yeah, today, guys, we are reviewing my car. No, it's not my car. I'm renting this car. I'm trying it out because, as you guys know, I recently bought a Tesla and I didn't like it at all.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, no, I got rid of it.
Oh my god.
Well, I really liked it, but there was something I didn't like about it. It wasn't very comfy. I think the interior needs some work.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so I got rid of it, and so I'm trying out new cars. So this is one of the cars that I'm thinking about getting. So we're gonna basically do a review on it. And is this a good car for Uber? What do you think? What would you think if this car pulled up for you to do when you order an Uber ride?
I would be like, oh damn. Oh damn.
Go pose by it. Go pose by it. Let's get the thumbnail going.
Wait, hold up.
Yeah, guys, so this is a G500 Mercedes. Woo! God damn! Look at that baby. So yeah, basically today we're gonna be reviewing it, showing you guys the little features. We have been driving around in it for what, 2 days now?
Yeah, and flexing everyone. Like, look at me, I'm bad and bougie.
Yeah, honestly, guys, like, I have to tell you, driving this car makes you feel like
you actually do something nice.
I don't know, it's such, like, I was like telling Mary, like, the car's so extra. It's like, for whatever reason, when you drive this car, it's like a status symbol. Like, there's nothing that crazy about it. Like, yeah, it drives fast, yeah, it's a beast, but like, I don't know why, but it is just like, it's kind of
it just looks like luxurious, you know, like extra, but at the same time, it's like it has the look, you know. I
think because it's like, what's it called? It's subtle. It's not like you're driving around a Ferrari or like a Lambo. It's just like a normal looking car, but it's like dope. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.
And it just like stands out on the road as well.
And
like,
you feel so tall in it. That's just my first impressions. I wanted to wait like 48 hours to give you guys the review. But yeah, let's just do a quick walk around first. Why don't you just go, you know, do your little car girl poses. So yeah, this is, I know it's a little bright, guys, don't mind that, but here's the front of it. Let's go to the side. We'll do it outside and then we'll do interior afterwards. So yeah, why don't you go over here? I'm just gonna walk around. Oh, there we go, there's the lighting better. Maybe like, you know, stroke the back side of the, yeah.
I feel like a car girl.
You can flex on everyone. Here we go, guys, G500. This car, I think it's like, oh, this is, by the way, guys, this is a 2007. So you can actually buy this used, and I think this car's only worth like $40,000. So it's not even that much more than like a normal car.
Excuse me, for a Mercedes?
I mean, when you buy it brand new, it's like 100,000, but used, like 2007, yeah, like 42, maybe 45. But yeah, let's continue. So go walk around there.
Oh, we'll walk. Okay.
Well, I'll just follow you. Welcome to the sweet life of Mary. Keeping up with Mary B.
Exactly.
KNG Mary B.
Keeping up with me, KNG Mary, and my sweet life of Kylie Jenner.
Obviously, you know, got the V8 engine, so you know it actually is pretty loud. It kind of roars when you drive it, which I do like. We'll show you guys that in a second.
Yeah, it gives you like this power.
Yeah, and then here's the front. So why don't you just go hop on the little bars there, and
you want me to hop on this?
just sit in front. Maybe you can hop up a little bit. But yeah, guys, how do you feel?
I feel very bougie.
Okay, cool. But yeah, guys, now let's hop into the interior. We'll show you guys what it is before we you know, what's it called? Oh shoot, is it zoomed in? Okay. Before we like finish the rest of the car tour, just want to say, is this a good car for Uber and Lyft? If you're driving part-time, I would say why not, like just do a few rides, that's fine.
But not full-time.
If you're doing full-time driving, heck no, do not buy a really nice car. Don't buy a new car. The fact that this is a used car is great, right? Because like it's not worth that much. If you put on some miles on it, it's not the end of the world, and it's cheaper.
I've never had a used car. Like I've never used car before. Like my car at home, it's brand new, so I don't know. But like driving it, it just makes you feel like it hasn't been used before, you know?
Yeah.
Like it's in such a great condition.
Yeah. The previous owners took really good care of it.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, probably for most people, I would say probably not. Don't buy this car. For Uber, for Lyft specifically. But if you have it, you want to do some rides, you're gonna get like passenger, like it's more of like a fun thing to do. I probably wouldn't do it like for the money. If you want side cash, maybe you can make your car payment driving Uber. And when you pick up people,
oh my god,
their reactions are gonna be like, what the heck?
Do you remember my reaction?
You might even like meet yeah. You might even like meet some people doing it. Like you could make friends, honestly.
Oh yeah, because if you're like, driving around, oh, you have money, so let's be friends.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, nothing creepy, guys, but I'm just saying, like, yeah, I've made friends with my passengers before. Why not, you know? I've worked with some of my passengers before because, you know, I do a bunch of business stuff, and sometimes you make connections, you know? I had one guy, oh, he was my driver, he owned a t-shirt company, and I'm like, I sell merch, I have a t-shirt company too. And we like linked on something, and we were like, now we talk about clothing designs and stuff, because, you know, why not, right? It's 2019, get with the program, almost 2020. So let's show the interior. You want to open the car for them?
Okay, sure.
The door handles on here are different. So, yeah, like
that's tricky.
These are old school.
Like,
yeah,
here, you don't pull it up like to your side. It's just
you have
like
to push that
it,
there. Yeah.
And then it just opens up, and you have like
oh yeah, another thing, guys, is like when you're shutting the door, you have to slam it shut. So like if you just do that, that's not closed.
I know.
You have to really slam
That's crazy. Like when we were driving, you had the notification that the door are not shut.
Yeah.
And we had to like stop every 5 seconds.
Yeah. Oh, and it has sensors inside too when you're backing up.
Really?
Yeah, if it hits if it's about to hit something.
Oh, and it had a camera.
Yeah, it has a camera. So yeah, why don't you go ahead and show them the inside.
Alright, so that's the inside. As you can see, it's very beautiful.
Hop in. Yeah, so like it has a step up here, so you can step down or up.
It's quite high.
It's very high.
Like when you drive, you just feel like a bad boss.
You're above everyone.
Yeah, exactly.
And everyone's below
everything.
you. Yeah.
Like, you know, monster trucks?
Yeah.
That's
kind
how
of
it feels
like
like
that. It feels like a big truck. But yeah, guys, it has all these buttons here. I actually don't even know what those do. It has a sunroof too.
Really?
Should we pop open the sunroof?
I don't know how to open this. Do you?
He says it like squeaks when you open it. Maybe we should we try it or no?
Well, you wanted to try like at least 10 times when we were driving, so why not?
Mary is like super sassy, guys. She's like the type of friend who like she'll make you feel like you're
trash.
You're like at a zero. Like your ideas are horrible. Like why are you even living? Why are you even alive? That's the. I mean, you
get used to it eventually.
Yeah, I'm used to it. It's like it's entertaining, I would say. Yeah, it's interesting. It's different. But yeah, let's here. You want to hold me?
Yes.
Hold the camera, and I'll start it up. Yeah, you gotta get used to the vlog life too. So.
I know, but you don't have the tripod.
Just hold it. Oh wait, don't. Oh yeah, when you hold it, by the way, hold it from the sides, because yeah. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try to open the sunroof. Is it loud or no?
I love that. I love that sound.
I think this is the sunroof. Fuck, I don't even know.
Oh my god. I think it just like opens up like that and that's it.
No, I think it should go back, right?
I don't know.
Is that it?
I think.
That was so anticlimactic.
That's embarrassing. Are you embarrassed?
Oh yeah, and guys, look at the interior. There's like Bluetooth. It's super nice. I have to turn it down for copyright reasons, but everything is like, it's very aesthetic in here. It's pretty simple, and yeah, like you can see the Bluetooth right in here.
Yeah.
It has you know, you can dial phone. It has a bunch of different stuff, music. You can change all the, you know, the music and stuff. Oh, it has seat warmers too, which.
Really?
I think so.
Why didn't you tell me about it?
I'm just finding out right now.
You bitch.
I just like, when he delivered it, I was like, he's like, okay, yeah, it works pretty much like normal. And I'm like, all right, sounds good.
Okay.
And when he dropped it off, I didn't even know how to start it up. Cause like,
wow.
This is the key, stick this part in. I was trying to stick in the key. And I'm like, why doesn't it go in? And I'm like, oh, you just stick this part in.
Iconic.
Yeah. Maybe I should. I think I'm doing the sunroof wrong, but whatever. I don't want to like, it's not necessary.
It's not necessary.
But yeah, guys, and then let's just show the
back?
The back side, the inside. Yeah, it's pretty roomy. What I love about the seats, guys, is like, it's not like...
Is it leather?
It's leather, yeah.
Yeah, it's leather.
It's also not something that I personally look for in a car, is higher seats. Like... Really? Yeah, like, Mary loves the Lambo.
Yeah.
She loves like BMW i8, like Jaguar, lower Jaguars.
Low cars, yeah.
I personally prefer like higher cars. That's just me. I prefer like a seat. Like this one, you can see, it's a seat. It's not like you're driving in like a Honda Civic where your legs are straight out. So I personally prefer this like way more. I actually I don't know. I just like sitting up. I don't want to like sit on the ground. I don't want to feel like sitting on the ground.
I do want to.
Yeah, that's where you and I are different, but that's why, like, and for the front too, it's the same way. Like, it's a chair. It's not like you're sitting on the ground. So like, it's just personal preference. Not everyone's the same. We're all humans. The back. Let's see how much room. There's a lot of room for your in the back. You can pull this up too to hide anything if you have anything nice in the back too. There's a ton of room.
You have a lot of room for shopping and smashing.
And smashing? What? I don't think that translations was correct.
Oh, that's how you say it too.
Smashing?
Yeah.
Smashing is like...
Fucking, yeah.
I don't want to get demonetized, so I can't say
I know. But, so it's good for shopping. Yeah,
there's shopping, or if you're driving for Uber, you can pick people up at the airport.
Or you can just stack them in the...
Guys, I also, let me know in the comment section down below. I couldn't figure out if this car qualifies for Uber Black. I found Mercedes like E-Class and the other ones. I couldn't find G-Class. So, I don't know, I couldn't find out if it qualifies for Uber Black or not. But if it does, that's like...
I'm down.
You could actually turn this on. If you're doing a car for Uber Black, even especially a used one, you can turn on the filter to only get Uber Black rides. So you can just honestly chill. I know somebody who just chills at home. She turns on Uber Black and Lyft Lux, and she works from home, and then anytime she gets a ride, she goes and does the ride and then comes straight back. So like, because you get like a lot of money doing Uber Black. It's like 5, sometimes even 10 times more than normal rides. So like, you could be smart about it, you know, run the numbers. Like, if I was using this for Uber, I might just only turn on Uber Black and then just wait to see if I get a ride. Because you get like $50, $60, $100, $200 per ride, you know? And like, just do one or two of those a day, and you know, that's not bad. So, what's the time at?
14.
Okay. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Did we miss anything?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Pretty much this car makes you feel cool.
Yeah, like Kylie Jenner cool.
Yeah, Kylie Jenner cool. This is probably out of all the cars I've tried out recently, I mean, I'll probably get a newer model. This is a really used
thanks
one.
God.
This is a really used one for myself, just because I don't want it breaking down all the time. And they're probably expensive to fix. Well, they definitely are. But out of the Tesla Model 3, Model X, I'm trying out this one, a Range Rover as well, and that's probably on my list of like cars that I'm gonna buy next. So out of all those ones so far, this is my favorite one. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on which car I do end up buying, but why are you laughing? Mary's laughing behind the camera.
I'm just laughing at you.
Why?
I don't know, you look funny.
I'm trying to be serious.
I know, and you look funny as hell.
Why?
I don't know.
Is the lighting bad or something?
No.
Why are you laughing at me?
You just look funny as shit.
Because I'm being serious?
Yeah.
Not all my channel's a joke, you know? I actually do provide valuable information.
Wee.
Fucking Mary. Guys, Mary, shout out to Mary, by the way, because she woke up super early to come, because she really wants me to rent a Lamborghini for her.
Yes!
And I told her, okay, but we have to film like a lot.
I woke up at 7, guys.
Yeah.
7 a.m.
It's currently 11:30 and we are filming, so.
When I woke up, I was half dead.
So thank you for Mary for showing up early today, and we're filming a bunch of videos, so we gotta get going. And make sure to follow her on Instagram.
Yes, please.
We'll leave it in the description below. I'll leave my Instagram too. Go ahead and follow us. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, what car do you drive for Uber or Lyft, or what do you think is the best car for Uber or Lyft? We'll talk to you guys all soon. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
All right, bye guys.